morning, my dear students. Today we shall study about vitamins. In vitamins, in the last videos, last lectures, we study importance of vitamins and sources of vitamins and also classification of vitamins on the basis of their solubility, that is fats and water. On the basis of the solubility, vitamins are classified as fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. In fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K, and water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and C. Vitamin B and C. There are two basic classification of vitamins on the basis of their solubility, that is soluble in fats, soluble in water. Now, I am going to teach you a vitamin about vitamin A. First is vitamin A. In vitamin A, it keeps our eyes, our hair and skin healthy. The vitamin A helps to keep our hair, our skin, our eyes. It helps our eyes, our skin, etc. Okay. The sources of vitamin A are carrots, yellow and green vegetables, butter and milk. Sources of vitamin. Sources. What is the source of vitamin A? It is found in carrots, yellow and green vegetables, yellow and green vegetables, carrots, butter, etc. The sources of vitamin A is yellow and green vegetables, carrots and butters and milk also. In milk except vitamin C, all the vitamins are present. Now, I am going to teach vitamin B. Vitamin B. Vitamin B helps to keep our skin and mouth healthy. Our skin keeps our skin and mouth healthy. The sources of vitamins B are proper growth of our body, whole grains, cereals, eggs, cereals, etc. They are sources of vitamin B. Or leafy vegetables, green leafy vegetables. There are sources of vitamin B. Now, in vitamin B, you study about vitamin B complex. In vitamin B, there are many vitamins are present: vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. In vitamin B, vitamin B1, vitamin B1, vitamin B3, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6 and vitamin B B12 and also folic acid These vitamins are vitamin B complex. They are known as, all the vitamins are known as vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex. These vitamins are known as vitamin B complex. Now vitamin B, vitamin C. Vitamin C. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, it helps for proper growth and development of our body, or teeth, or gums, or joints, or knees. It helps proper growth, development, to grow our body healthy, and gums and joints. It also helps the body to fight against infections. It fights, vitamin C fights against infectious diseases or infectious diseases or infection. Sources of vitamins are citrus fruits or tomatoes, amla, etc. Citrus fruits, amla, garbage, etc. Now cabbage also. There are sources of vitamin C, or lemon, guava, orange, tomato, guava, lemon, etc. There are sources of vitamin C. Now vitamin D. Vitamin D are for normal growth and development. It helps our body or any other human beings or any other animals for proper growth and development, and synthesize food in also in plants and human body. For normal growth bones, growth of bones, teeth, etc. Vitamin D helps for normal growth of bones and teeth, and also synthesized in human body by the skin under the influence of sunlight. It is also synthesized in human body in our skin in sunlight. The sources of vitamins D are fish. It is found too much in fish. Cold liver oils, eggs, liver oil, etc. It is found in vitamin C also too much in fish. And vitamin K. Vitamin K helps clotting of blood. It helps clotting of blood, clotting of blood. It helps in the clotting of blood. If vitamin K not present or less amount of vitamin K you needed in our body, the clotting of blood does not perform. So, it helps in clotting of blood. It is found in liver, spinach. It is found in sources liver, spinach or cauliflower or tomatoes. So, there are sources of vitamins. So, this is about our vitamins or fat soluble vitamins or water soluble vitamins. So, I am stopping this video now. Thank you.